Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Capi at ang mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tingnan po natin ngayon kung ano ang ating pong makikita o mensahe sa pagbasa na ito para sa iyo, Capricorn. Coffee cup, dragonfly, and heart with a key. Ang gagawin po natin ngayong pagbasa ay gusto natin malaman kung ano po yung magandang bagay na parating sa inyong buhay. What is good things are coming your way. What are the good things coming in your way? So, tignan natin. I will divide that into 3, which is first is yung money and career and business, kung may business ka, and then family, and then love. So, Capricorn, we have the Empress, the 8 of Swords, the 7 of Swords, the Page of Swords, and the Star. Bottom niya is the 8 of Wands. Okay, Capi. So, ang start mo, the Empress. Pagdating sa money, career, yung business, if you're starting a business o may business ka na, you are the Empress, no? You wanted to be on top. Gusto mo nasa tuktok ka. Kung ba ikaw yung pinaka-leader, namumuno, o kung yung tipong umaangat, no? Sa pagdating sa mga yung ginagawa o sa kaperahan. Siyempre, napakagandang kung gaba maganda yung gusto mong ma-achieve kasi you just wanted greatness, no? Kabutihan, kagalingan. Kasi hindi mo nakikita to. You're not seeing it. No, you're not seeing that you have the capability of achieving to be a empress. Ma-achieve mo ito na talagang ando ka sa tuktok, no? Maangat ka na ikaw yung kung gaba namumuno, ikaw yung pinaka magaling o isa sa pinaka magaling sa ginagawa mo. Kasi sa ngayon, kung gaba napapaligiran ka ng panglilinlang, pangloloko, pagsisinungaling, maybe that's why you feel, yun yung nakikita mong truth, no? Yung katotohanan. That yung paligid mo is all about people telling you, yung mga maling bagay. Or they seem to backstab you. Pero, your end card here, Capricorn, is the Star. Ito yung sinasabi natin na nag-wish ka You made a wish sa Star. No? You are, kung gaba, manifesting what you wanted in life. or what you wanted pagdating sa iyong career, sa iyong pera, o sa iyong negosyo. And it just needs to be communicated, no? Kailangan lang merong pag-uusap. Okay? Kasi kung magkaroon ka man ng aberya rito, no? Aberya dito sa iyong career, sa management, sa iyong katrabaho, sa iyong mga kliyente, kailangan mag-usap ng matindi para maging maayos ang lahat. Okay? Ang coffee cup here is all about pagkikita, pagkaroon ng conversation, diba? Normally, ang meeting is with a cup of coffee. Inom tayo ng kape, diba? No, to have that parang pagpupulong. And it also signifies friendship, diba? We could be treating our clients or customer to be friends, no? Kasi ano na sila kung gaba malapit na sila sa iyo o malapit ka na sa kanila. So if there is something na nag-involve o nagkaroon ng parang hindi magandang usapan, no? Hindi magandang usapan, maayos ito, no? Maayos siya with the star. You just need to have that conversation. You need to have that cup of coffee right now. Usap kayo. Clear things out. Okay? Huwag niyo nang pabayaang patagalin pa, lumala pa. Kasi bakit nga ba? Let us find out. Bakit andito yung 7 of Swords? Bakit andito yung 7 of Swords? We have the Knight of Cups, the 6 of Pentacles, and Judgment. So, it has something to do with yung feelings mo, no? To have that equal give and take. Para patas ba? Kung paano makisama, makibagay. If this is to do with work, syempre gusto mo yung ka-worker mo o your management would be equal with you. In other words, walang pandadaya, walang panloloko. Yung walang pinapaboran, walang paborito. Ang tingin sa'yo balance or equal sa lahat. That you are just as good as anybody else. Ganon. Okay? And that is what you wanted, no? Yung ipakita sa'yo is na merong equal give and take. And probably that is what you are hoping for. Ganun din pagdating sa negosyo, di ba? Patas lang. Kasi lahat naman tayo pagdating sa business may competitor, di ba? Meron tayong kalaban. Meron tayong hindi natin na-monopolize yung market. Hindi lang tayo gumagawa niyan. Unless you're one of the exceptions to the rule. But in general or majority, lahat tayo meron mga kapareho ng ginagawa. May kanya-kanya tayong gimmick o creativity na pinapakita para to allure our customers na dito ka. So mapatas lang ang labanan, walang pangloloko, walang pangdadaya, walang paninira, no, sa'yo. Kasi para ma-achieve ito, no, pagiging like on top of everything, like the yung gagabay kagalang-galang at nasa totoo ang iyong pakikipagtungo, no, sa tao pagdating sa negosyo. Okay? So, yun lang naman. I think it is something to do with how you see things in general, na wala sanang ganito. Yung mga panloloko, paninira, pagsisinungaling, pagnanakaw. That is what you wanted. No? Just to be fair and square. Now, pagdating sa family, we have Justice, the Five of Cups, the Two of Cups, the King of Pentacles, and the Four of Swords. Bottom niya is the Ten of Swords. Okay, copy. Pagdating sa iyong family, yeah, definitely, family, you want balance eh. Balance din ulit, no? Just like what I've been saying here with the Six of Pentacles. Balance. Yung may hustisya, kung ba parang patas lang tayo lahat. Walang may favoritism. Hindi yung mas pabor ng magulang mo yung isang kapatid mo, o mas pinapaboran mo yung, sabihin natin, yung isang anak mo. Hindi ganon, no? Kasi alam mo, magkakaroon ka ng regret, no? Magkakaroon ka talaga ng pagsisisi kapag hindi mo napakita equally yung pagmamahal mo sa bawat isa. Kasi tama lang naman na dapat maging stable and balanced ka, no? Secure with everybody, and to make sure that you also love yourself, no? Mahal mo rin yung sarili mo by taking a rest, no? Pahinga ka rin naman sa sarili mo, hindi puro pamilya, kasi mapapagod ka eh. You will get tired of working so hard, focusing everything to your family and forgetting yourself. Yun eh. What you should be doing is, of course, to keep yourself balanced, love everybody equally, keep yourself stable and secure and responsible para tahimik, no? Tahimik ang pamilya. Walang kaguluhan. Actually, I don't see any kaguluhan, but it's just really yung feeling na ayaw mo magsisi. Ayaw mo magsisi kung bakit merong kang yung feeling na ganito. So, pwede natin tignan bakit andito yung Five of Cups. We have the Queen of Wands, the Eight of Cups, and the Tower. So, ano ba yung ayaw mong pagsisiyan na merong umalis na hindi mo ina-expect? Maybe one of your family, member of your family. It could be a fire sign, o may fire sign siya sa kanyang chart, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Ayaw mo siyang mawala, umalis, kasi hindi mo na-expect na gano'n yung mangyari, no? Nabigla siyang mawala, umalis. Kaya gusto mo, patas lang dapat lahat ang pagmamahal, ang attention na binibigay. Now, the dragonfly here is, kasi dapat inaalam mo muna lahat, no? Inaalam mo, mag-adapt ka sa pagbabago. Kung may kailangang ayusin sa pamilya, ayusin, mag-heal, magpatawaran, okay? To give forgiveness. O may mga bagay na sabihin natin na kung hindi maliwanag sa'yo, ngayon, sana maliwanagan ka na. Okay? Kung ano yung dapat gawin o yung pagkukulang, dapat mapabuo na. Okay? Now, it comes to love life for Capricorn. We have the Three of Cups. We have the Queen of Swords, the Five of Wands, the Four of Wands, and the Moon. bottom niya is the 7 of Wands. Now, yung love life mo dito, Kapi, medyo problematic. I see here, no, na merong third party, and of course, anytime willing talaga mawala, no, to remove o mawala yung relationship kasi gulo eh. May kaguluhan na anticipate na mangyayari. Okay? And it has something to do with your relationship or marriage. Kasi malabo eh. No? You cannot find that clarity. Maybe things are not really doing well sa love life. Kasi nga may third party because you see na walang patutunguhan to. Kaya nga, what you just do is you protect yourself, no? Pinoprotekta mo na lang yung sarili mo. Na sana nga hindi ako masaktan pa. Kasi sa nakikita ko dito, talagang ito eh, no? Ito yung may gulo. May hindi pag-iintindi o pagkakaintindi, no? Merong conflict, may misunderstanding. Kaya naapektuhan yung relationship. Kaya nagiging mas malabo. Kasi gusto mo nang i-end, no? Tapusin, no? Makipaghiwalay. Bakit ang likid mo? You have the Emperor, the Page of Wands, and the World. So, yung hindi natin makita or something that's not clear is this Emperor, this guy, this person, yung father figure, yung boss, or whoever in a relationship with Capricorn, na meron siyang Aries sa kanyang chart. O Aries siya o meron siyang Aries sa kanyang chart. That you are, in a way, parang looking into this message of passion. Magkakaroon na kasi ng yan. This is heading towards ending. Matatapos na eh. O patapos na o natapos na. Take it as it resonates. Because it will start a new cycle. So, what I'm saying is, kung hindi clear with this person, wala na eh. Magkakaroon ka na ng new cycle. Bakit andito yung World? Bakit andito yung World? Okay. So, yung World is clarified by the Fool. You will just, take the leap of faith. Kung saan ka mandalin. Okay? Hindi ka clear eh. So, parang, saan muna ako dalhin? Kasi kung matatapos na nga yung pag dito sa tao na to, na if you are waiting for that message of love, then either you are going to take that leap of faith, magbabakasakali ka na talaga sa kanya, or sabihin natin na you will just, go with the flow. Sige lang. Hindi ako mag-aano sa iba. I'll just be by myself and, walang hang-ups, walang pakialam. I will just, go on my own and be independent and wala akong kinikilingan. Okay? So, ano sinasabi niya dito? Heart with a key. This is welcoming love. meeting the one, opening your heart and getting through or getting together. Something to do with coming together. So if you are, kung gaba parang if you're waiting for that person, matatapos na, so you start a new, diba? Start a new cycle. So, diba sabi ko with the Fool, either you will take that leap of faith, sige lang, gagawin mo, which is ito yon. Sige, makikipag-meet na ako, tatanggapin ko na, I will open my heart with this person, or magkita kami, and just be the Fool. Para may mangyari, no? Hindi yung, kasi dito, kung ba parang may third party nga, o siya yung third party mo, which is nagdadala ng conflict, kaguluhan. So you wanted to see kung ito na ba yung tao na dapat sa buhay mo. Okay? You just wanted to find out, and kung gawa parang take that risk to find out kung siya na ba, if this is the one. Gusto mo buksan yung puso mo to check if this person is the one. Okay? So, ano natin? Ano advice mo for Capricorn? Dating sa love life. Wait. Maghintay ka daw. Maghintay ka lang kasi hindi pa oras. Not your time. Not your time to open your heart again. Kasi kung may conflict ka dito before sa relationship, and if you will be meeting this person, you just have to wait. Hintay ka lang muna. Huwag agad-agad. Yun yung sinasabi niya dito. So the energy of being the Fool is, di ba, to take action right away. Ang sinasabi niyo dito ni Angel, no. Mag-intay ka. Wait. Wait for that perfect time when to take action. Okay? Kung kanino man Capricorn itong nakuha natin enerhiya ngayon, sana nakatulong po ito ng malaki. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.